Toto the kitten is helping Mama bake cookies today. But, uh-oh, everything is about to get very messy. I've done? It's just a little spill, Toto. Here, this whisk should help. We add the egg for moisture.
Wow, look at it go! Can I stir it now?
You are doing wonderfully, Toto.
I stirred it all by myself. Don't worry, sweetie. Accidents happen. We can still use that one. It's all right, sweetie. Even the best bakers make a mess sometimes.
Look perfect, Toto.
Great job, sweetie.